Good morning! It's Amanda, and I'm going to show you how to properly fry an egg because it's easy AF. Frying an egg is one of the most requested techniques of all, so I wanted to do it. It's not a recipe, it's just a technique. So I have a nonstick pan here heating up at medium heat. I have an egg. So one of my main tips is to always crack this egg into a bowl first in case of shells, in case of any impurities or blood or anything that doesn't look right about the egg. Don't go right into the pan. Now, controversial maybe, I start with olive oil because I want to get a certain amount of heat and I don't want the butter to burn, but I finish with a little butter for flavor. Okay, so my pan is hot. The egg is going to gently go in, and then I'm going to season it. Salt, pepper. Eggs need seasoning. Don't forget the seasoning. Now you're going to hear a lot of bubbling and popping. Don't move the egg. Let it cook. Let it get the white cooked on the edges. I love those little crispy edges. And the yolk has to cook in the center. So what I do is I cover it. This is a technique that I think a lot of people miss out on, and not every pot has a lid. I know they say they do, but sometimes in my kitchen I can't always find it, and this is an old restaurant trick. Take another pot and put it over. Now there's a million ways that you can go from here. You can put a little bit of water. You can flip it if you want it to be over easy, over medium, over hard, but I just want a straight sunny side up egg. I'm gonna let that cook a little bit and then right onto my toast. That's it. Use a little bit of oil, finish with a little butter, perfect heat, nonstick pan. And be fearless is the key. Okay, we're gonna put a little butter in here. And that's just gonna give us a little more fat, a little more flavor. And what you're gonna see is here's where the magic is happening. That egg is not sticking, it's moving around. The butter is flavoring it. Can you just smell that breakfast? And I'm just gonna slide that right onto my toast. Oh, and don't forget that butter on that toast. All right, look at that. The simplest thing, perfect fried egg over a piece of toast. It's easy AF. Oh yeah, look at that yolk. Oh, this is a great way to start the day.